Hello, sir. I'm Bhavya Kapoor, a volunteer at International Fashion Business Council. We are a global platform where we are dedicated to connecting fashion and textile industry globally.
Okay.
So I would like to ask few questions like, so what are the current challenges you're going through within your sector?
See, to be really honest, market was really bad like 3 months ago. But over the period, the raw material prices have stabilized, and wherein there is a cost to cost parity right now. But yes, mm, the raw material prices should not have been hiked in near term. What we want is like the raw material price should be stable for the longer period of time, so that our finished product can also be supplied at a better rates and a better parity as per the international market. Because when we see the international market prices are comparatively lower than our domestic prices.
So do you think so that this is because of the government?
Uh, Not really. It's basically demand and supply.
Okay.
Uh, Plus, I would say if government, what do you call maybe they can help us by providing us some,
Policy and scheme.
yeah, policy and schemes in terms of logistics, because logistics is again a one big parameter which is eating up our profits.
Okay, sir. So, and how do you plan to invest in and expand your business?
See, currently we are not planning anything because
Okay.
the market is not very much stable.
Okay.
So let the market be stable for much longer period of time. Currently, it's been like stabilized since past 3 months. We
Okay.
want it to be stabilized for another 3 to 4 months. So then, then only we'll be able to figure out the actual market trend.
Okay.
Because what we see here is like there's one more problem. Maybe which I could see is probably we are like over capacious
Okay.
in terms of like we are into spinning of cotton yarn. So maybe we are over capacious in the yarn capacity.
Oh, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.